Imagine coming home, opening the door, and being greeted by a warm and cozy atmosphere. There's something about a snug, inviting home that embraces you, making your worries melt away. The importance of such a haven can't be overstated. In this guide, we'll explore 5 ways to infuse your space with that cozy, inviting vibe. From the power of light to the allure of textures, personal touches, and even the beauty of nature indoors. Welcome to Serene Shelter, your guide to a more comfortable living. First off, consider the power of light. It's an unseen force that can dramatically alter the mood and feel of any space. Picture it, the soft glow from a corner lamp, casting long, comforting shadows across the room, or the flicker of candles on a coffee table, dancing and reflecting off the walls, creating a sense of warmth and intimacy. These aren't just decorative choices. They're transformative elements that breathe life into your living space. You see, it's not just about illuminating a room, it's about creating an atmosphere. Warm-toned light, for instance, can make a room feel cozier, more inviting. It's like wrapping your home in a soft, inviting blanket of light. And let's not forget the timeless charm of candles. There's something inherently calming about their gentle flicker, their soft, soothing glow. They're not just a source of light, but a source of tranquility, a beacon of coziness in your own home. So remember, a well-lit home is a welcoming home. Next, let's talk about the magic of color and texture. Color, as an essential element of home decor, can transform the ambiance of your space. Warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows can induce a sense of comfort and warmth. It's like having the glow of a sunset right in your living room. Now couple this with the power of texture. Soft, plush textures can make your home feel more inviting. Imagine sinking into a comfy throw blanket, your feet cushioned by a plush rug, or a soft pillow nestling your back. These elements not only add depth and interest to your space, but also create an environment that you can't wait to come home to. They're your secret weapon for making any room feel instantly cozy. Remember, it's not about matching everything perfectly, but about creating a blend of elements that feel good to you. With the right color and texture, your home can feel like a warm hug. Now, on to adding personal touches. What truly transforms a house into a home are the elements that reflect who you are and what you love. It's about taking a space and making it uniquely yours. Consider displaying family photos, which can add warmth and familiarity to any room. These snapshots of cherished moments create a visual narrative that speaks volumes about your life and journey. Think about your favorite books. They're not just for reading, but can also serve as striking decor elements. Line them up on a shelf or stack them on a coffee table. It's a simple way to showcase your interests and tastes. Don't forget about personal mementos. These could be souvenirs from your travels, a vintage heirloom from your grandparents, or even a piece of art that you've created. These pieces are conversation starters, offering glimpses into your experiences and passions. Remember, it's these personal touches that infuse your space with character and charm. Your home should tell your story, so don't be afraid to make it personal. Finally, let's bring the outdoors in. Who doesn't love a touch of nature in their living space? Incorporating plants into your home decor not only liven things up, but also offer a myriad of benefits. They purify the air we breathe, reducing carbon dioxide levels and increasing humidity. They even help to reduce levels of certain pollutants, such as benzene and nitrogen dioxide. Imagine relaxing in your living room, surrounded by a variety of lush, green plants. From the leafy fronds of a Boston fern to the striking silhouette of a snake plant, each one adds a unique touch to your decor. You could even experiment with hanging plants or small succulents on your windowsill. And it's not just about the visual appeal. Being around plants can also reduce stress and increase feelings of well-being. It's like having your own little oasis right in the comfort of your own home. So the next time you're looking to add a bit of coziness to your home, why not consider bringing in a plant or two? They're not just decor, they're a breath of fresh air. Remember, a touch of green can do wonders for your living space. And there you have it, 5 ways to make your home more cozy and inviting. Let's take a moment to recap. We've talked about the transformative power of light and how it can completely change the mood of a room. We've also explored the world of color and texture, and how these elements can add depth and warmth to your space. Then, we delved into the importance of personal touches, those unique items that tell your story and make your house truly feel like a home. And last but not least, we brought the outside in, by incorporating elements of nature to create a serene and calming atmosphere. Remember, creating a cozy and inviting home isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space where you and your loved ones can feel comfortable, relaxed, and truly at home. It's about designing a space that reflects who you are and what you love. So, whether you choose to embrace the power of light, experiment with color and texture, add personal touches, or bring nature inside, remember that the most important thing is that your home feels like a sanctuary, a place where you can unwind and truly be yourself. What did you think of these tips? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home living tips. Until next time, stay cozy.